Hello, I make a break right now, but then I woke up and now I'm sick. I did make a lot on my channel because I literally hear like, I don't know, like an elephant or something. So I did make it lots. I just wanted to make a video to show that I'm good and that you don't have to worry because I didn't make anything on my channel. But tomorrow will come a stream even with this voice, don't worry. And I'm recording this with my phone right now so you can hear bones in the background because I'm watching bones the whole day while I'm sick. See you tomorrow in my stream. Bye bye!